welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell with the YouTube bell. Today we are making homemade Play-Doh. Here is a big pot. I'm being kind of quiet because my brother is asleep, and some days I am going to be doing some videos with my brother, so you better be loud for that.
Okay, so first we're going to mix the dry ingredients.
So these are my 3 dry ingredients. Of course, a big mug of flour. And if you don't know how to make one, we're going to show you how to make some. So please subscribe to this video.
Okay, so we need a cup of flour.
Okay, that's kind of a lot, but I actually forgot. So that's why I haven't made it English. It's removed. Then we have a problem with the wet ingredients, right?
So we need a half a cup of salt. So a cup of
Then,
okay, it says
guys, so we did flour first, right? Then salt, then cream
tartar.
tartar,
Stir it up.
and then we stir it up. And at the end, we might cook it, so it's gonna take a little bit. Then we'll show you how our flavor feels. If you guys didn't know that whenever you are allowed to watch my videos, I may not be on the channel every day because you know what? I have school now. So I won't be doing videos so more. But this is my second video, my third video. So
Okay, I think that's good and mixed up. Should we show them what it looks like?
my actually fifth.
Okay, so now it says gradually stir in oil and water using a wooden spoon and stir vigorously to get rid of the lumps. We need a cup of water.
So we put oil. You can, it is olive, it is avocado oil. And this is water. Put water in. Now mix it up. Kind of looks like pancakes.
It does kind of like pancakes.
We're not making it wrong.
Hopefully. Oh, we forgot. So tell me what we're adding.
You can pick whatever smell you want. I pick lavender and lemon. But you can pick whatever you want. It doesn't have to be
Just gonna put a couple drops in.
Yeah. So just like probably 5 of each.
Like,
See the little right there? Blue and what else color? Red to make my favorite color. If you don't want to make your favorite color, you just want to make like a pretty color, you can. Just make sure to ask to make Play-Doh first because it's really messy and you don't.
you have to use the oven and you can't use the oven here, right?
No.
Okay.
This
go
is my
ahead.
mom, Jacqueline. She's been in a lot of my videos. She's been recording actually.
Okay, go ahead.
So I'm gonna put in what color makes the lightest purple.
Probably put in more red than purple.
You mean blue?
Yeah. Okay, so put in maybe start with a drop. Okay, stir it up.
Oh, it's turning really light purple. Looks like I wanted it to be purpley that it's turning. I love that light purple. I don't know, it makes it light purple. It literally looks like lavender purple. And then we're gonna stop the video. Then we're gonna start it back over because then you get to see the reveal of the Play-Doh.
There you go, keep rolling.
Why?
See, it works it together.
This is our Play-Doh. It's very, very hot and
Come on, babe. It'll cool down. Just keep pushing it. Roll under them. There, that away.
Here is the finished product.
Play-Doh.
Yep.
Does it smell good?
Does smell good.
All right, tell them bye.
Bye guys, I'll see you on a different day.